Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, April 4th, 2017. It's currently 8:37 a.m. Actually, now it's 8:38 a.m. How do you like that? Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s in the New York City metro and along the coast, and upper 50s to lower 60s in the Delaware River Valley. A warm front is on the move. The 850 millibar warm front, the mid-level warm front, is already well north and east of the region. It's pushing through New England with periods of heavy rainfall. We're kind of in that in-between the mid-level warm front and the surface warm front. And as a result, we are slowly warming up. You can see the surface warm front is down here where temperatures are already starting to spike up rather nicely. And you can also tell the surface warm front in that the winds are coming from the east over here and from the south down here. This warm front will be on the move and will be to the north of the region by the time we get to about 10 a.m. this morning, allowing temperatures to rise rather nicely into the upper 50s to lower 60s right along the immediate coast, mid 60s to lower 70s in the Philadelphia metro and the Delaware River Valley, basically this whole area right here. So we're going to have a nice warm up on the way today, but unfortunately, that's also going to include the threat for some widely scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms as well. On the latest surface map, our warm front again is pushing northward. This is called an occluded front, which is kind of like a cold front. It's a little bit hard to describe here, but basically what an occluded front is that a warm front is lifted into the mid-levels, the cold front is pushing east, and basically you have this occluded front pushing through the region. Now, this front here will move through by about noon today with the threat for a few scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms, and then we'll see those showers lingering over the region on through this evening as this low pressure system lifts to the northeast through the St. Lawrence River Valley and towards New England. On the radar, again, the bulk of the steady heavy rainfall is now into New England and leaving the region. We have this area, this is with the occluded front, and this will move through today, through this morning, with the threat for showers. And again, a few embedded, elevated thunderstorms are possible, but this really is not going to feature any type of severe thunderstorms in any way, shape, or form. Once this cold front moves through, we'll have some cold air aloft, and it'll still be warm at the surface, and so that's going to lead to the threat for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. Now, these thunderstorms, for the most part, are going to feature a brief heavy downpour, some frequent lightning, possibly a little bit of small hail, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Keyword here is isolated. Most locations will be drying out rather nicely this afternoon. So again, here's our warm front pushing north, here's our occluded front pushing to the east, and here's our cold front that will not impact our region, will remain to the south and drive off the coast. Once this low pressure system lifts through the St. Lawrence River Valley and a weak low pressure system tries to redevelop, all that clears out, and by this evening, tranquil weather conditions return. And tomorrow will actually be pretty nice. A little bit cooler, but still relatively pretty nice throughout the region. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, a few lingering showers and isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s along the immediate coast, mid 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. For this evening, we start to dry out overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Look for low temperatures to fall into the upper 40s to lower 50s, mid to upper 40s over the northern interior. For tomorrow afternoon, look for increasing clouds towards the evening hours. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast and lower to mid 60s in the Delaware River Valley. On Thursday, this area of low pressure will be moving through the region and lifting up into New England and the St. Lawrence River Valley. As it's doing so, look for periods of heavy rain on Thursday morning on through Thursday afternoon. Rainfall amounts will range once again anywhere from 1 to 2 inches, with locally higher amounts possible. Temperatures will range from the mid 40s for lows and lower 60s for highs throughout the region, most likely mid to upper 50s on Long Island with that flow coming right off of the Atlantic Ocean. Now again, this low pressure system will be capable of producing some localized flash flooding. We've had a lot of rain recently, enough so that it's pretty much putting a heavy dent, if not completely obliterating, drought conditions throughout the region. and it's actually going to lead to rainfall amounts for this month to be above normal. So there is going to be a threat with all this rainfall of late that we do have some localized urban flooding and some stream and river flooding that we'll have to keep an eye on, especially on Thursday afternoon as the heaviest rainfall moves through. On Friday, that low pressure system kind of lingers over the region. It's going to be a windy, raw day. Now, I know the Phillies and the Yankees are opening up on Friday. Not going to be the best of weather, unfortunately. We're going to watch out for the threat for some widely scattered showers, broken cloud cover, windy as well, with winds coming out from the west around anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour possible on the latest guidance. So it's not looking pretty on Friday. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 40s, high temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Again, not the best day for baseball. On Saturday, though, we do start to improve with a high pressure system starting to build into the region. Look for scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out an isolated shower in the morning with some of these passing troughs. Temperatures will range from the upper 30s for lows, lower to mid 50s for highs. We warm up even more on Sunday with high pressure right over the region. Temperatures will range from the mid 30s for lows and upper 50s to mid 60s for highs. Again, cooler along the coast, mid 60s more likely towards your Delaware River Valley. On Monday, high pressure is off the coast, southwesterly wind. Everyone warms up very, very nicely. Now, with this southwesterly wind, Long Island, you're going to most likely be stuck in that lower to mid 60s range. However, the rest of the coastal region, upper 60s to lower 70s. The Delaware River Valley, lower to mid 70s. Very nice out there. And then on Tuesday, even warmer with this high pressure system locked in. Watch out for the threat for a few widely scattered showers, but other than that, it is going to be rather pleasant out there with low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s, high temperatures. Again, that southwesterly wind most likely going to keep you in the 60s on Long Island because the winds are coming right off the Atlantic Ocean. But everywhere else along the coast, upper 60s to lower 70s, and then mid, possibly even upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley. So definitely we start to warm up very nicely as we move on through April. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.